super easy and quick tip, and today I'm going to show you how to install hubcaps. So, in the case of this Nissan Versa, it has the more modern system. It has the hubcap and a ring. Some cars have clips, and some cars have some sort of built-in system. It's hard to explain, but with this Nissan, we're going to be installing the hubcap back on. So first, you want to get your hubcap and get your ring. Now, you see, the ring is a circle, but there's one spot where it's sort of bent. You can see that. And the bent part is going to go right where the tire valve cap is. So if we see this little indentation right where it's going to be. So we're going to put that ring there. Now, it actually goes on the outside. There's a lot of these little clip holder kind of things, and on the Nissan they just snap on. And make sure when you're doing this that the ring on this little notch part, make sure it doesn't start going around. It stays in one spot. That's all clipped together. So now we've got this part. You want to make sure that where that indent is, you're going to put it right where your tire valve cap is. So all you do is you just, it's kind of, right, basically punch it on. And there you go, an easy and super awesome install.